Hello everyone, this is my flight review of Delta's A330-200 from Detroit to São Paulo in business class. Since this is a flight review instead of a flight report, I will be sharing my impressions and opinions. I will be rating the aircraft, crew and service, seat, meals, and the in-flight entertainment system on a scale from 1 to 5 stars. This red-eye flight left at 8:11 p.m. and the flight time was 9 hours and 50 minutes. I had a long layover in Detroit and spent my time at the Delta Sky Club before heading to gate 830 for boarding. Delta's A330-200 has a mini cabin with 3 rows of business class seats between the front section and the economy class. The seats are in a 1-2-1 configuration, allowing all passengers to have direct aisle access. I will show more seat details later in this video. The choices for pre-departure beverages were sparkling wine or orange juice. Now, please enjoy the sounds and sights of the takeoff. Let's take a look at the seating area. Directly to your left you can find a reading light, a universal power outlet, as well as USB charging port and headphone jack. There is a small flat surface where you can place some personal items. I found the footrest area to be adequate, although not as roomy as I have seen in other airlines. The seat controls are intuitive and allow for fine adjustments, but they are hard to reach when you are lying down. The remote control, however, is useful to control the entertainment system in that position. There are a couple of cubbies to store some items, but cell phones and other small devices may get lost in that space. Overall, I give this seat 3 out of 5 stars. I think it is comfortable, but it could be a bit wider and I'd like to see more storage options and a better placement of the seat controls. Now let's take a look at the menu. Delta offers the option of pre-selecting your main course up to 24 hours before the flight. By doing that, you don't run the risk of them running out of your choice. service begins with a beverage and warm mixed nuts. They offer 2 types of reds and 2 types of white wines, and I found the quality to be very good. I enjoyed the appetizer and the salad. You also get to choose the bread from a basket with a few different types. I'm glad I chose the steak as my main course. The meat was tender and flavorful. And finally, the flight attendants brought out the dessert cart with many choices. The ice cream sundae was very good. The options for toppings were caramel, hot fudge, whipped cream, and cookie crumbles. Delta's flight attendants were very nice and always available. I give the crew and service 4 out of 5 stars. Let's look at the Tumi branded amenity kit. I really like the hard case, and Tumi provides a leather patch that can be engraved with your initials free of charge at any Tumi store. The in-flight entertainment system is easy to navigate, and the screen is bright and has good resolution. There was a good selection of newly released movies, but I was more impressed with the very large library of older movies and TV shows. Some fun games and an audio library are also available. I rate the in-flight entertainment system 4 out of 5 stars. I would have given 5 stars if the screen were a bit larger. Delta's business class pillows and bedding are provided by Westin Hotels. They are some of the most comfortable I have seen in any business class cabin. I am 5 foot 10 inches and I found the bed size to be adequate. I was very comfortable and able to sleep for a few hours. Breakfast was served about 90 minutes before landing. I chose the torrejas, which is basically French toast with jam and maple syrup. I was very happy with my choice. I give the meals 4 out of 5 stars. The portion sizes were good and the food was tasty. Throughout the flight, you can find a snack basket and water bottles in the galley. I like the A330-200. The mini cabin is a nice touch if you enjoy a little more privacy. This aircraft's interior was well maintained by Delta and I give it 4 out of 5 stars. Let's enjoy the sights and sounds of the landing before I recap and give my final score. Let's recap my scores. Seat, 3 stars. Meals, 4 stars. In-flight entertainment, 4 stars. Aircraft, 4 stars. Crew and service, 4 stars. Giving the flight a final average rating of 3.8 stars. I recommend Delta's solid business class product in their A330-200. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
And the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it's safe to move about the cabin. Please take care when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. Cellular phones may be used, but once again make sure they remain stowed. Please check on your seating area and in your seat back pockets for anything you might have